Welcome to the 1405E Splash Resort, Panama City Beach. This is a 1-bedroom, 2-bath condominium with bunks in the hallway. As you enter the condo, directly to your right, you have your master suite, king-size bed, master bath, the tub shower combination, small closet here on the right. As you can see, the flooring has been replaced throughout the condominium with tile with a natural wood look. Right here you have the bunks in the hallway. So the condominium sleeps 6 people. This is the guest bathroom, stand-up shower, and then here is the kitchen with the living room, dining area combination. Granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. That closet over there has a stackable washer and dryer. Condominium is selling fully furnished and rental ready. It's listed at $469,000. Here is the Beachfront balcony. Really nice furniture on the balcony as well. Got these incredible Gulfront views. This is a sleeper sofa. Tabletop there that sits 4, pulled away from the wall. Large flat screen television. That is Unit 1405E Splash Resort, Panama City Beach, Florida, located on the west end, about 1.5 miles west of Pier Park.